Today we're doing muscle of the week.
Today we're going to be talking about elbow pain, and specifically it's the brachioradialis.
So here we have the elbow. So again, when we're talking about the brachioradialis, we're talking about these muscles that come across the elbow and down the forearm. So the motions that this is going to perform is flexion, and then when we're talking about supination and pronation of that elbow.
Anytime you are grabbing something or gripping and picking something up, you're going to experience that elbow pain right down this area.
So if this is something you're experiencing,
Give us a call.